How to turn off birthday wishes on Facebook. If any day you are a Facebook user and you would like to turn off your birthday wishes on Facebook so that your friends do not know when your birthday is and do not ask a treat for you during your birthday, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. You can find the Facebook application by scrolling left or right. After you find it, you have to tap on the Facebook application like this. And then what you can do is if you are logged into your very Facebook page, you can just log it out to your very Facebook account as well. And first of all, after you switch it back to your Facebook account, you have to go to your profile section on the top. And after you tap on the profile section on the top, now you have to go to your profile. After you tap on your profile, now you have to go to the option of edit the profile. After you tap on the option of edit the profile, now you can see the next interface. Now you have to just scroll down. You have to see the option of your birthday out there. Now when you see the option of your birthday, you have to tap on the option of birthday. Since here, if you do not find it directly, you can go to the option of edit about your info. And after you go to the option of edit about your info, now you have to just scroll down and then go to the option of basic info here and then go to the option of edit. Now here you can see the option of showing your friends here. Now in the option of date of birth showing to your friends, you can just go to the option of only me and tap on only me. And after you tap on only me and saved it, now only you will know about your birthday and the very birthday wishes will be turned off on your Facebook. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.